Adawiyah Bangcola, and welcome to English 3 class. For week 11 of the first quarter, we will be learning how to initiate conversation with peers in a variety of school settings. Before we proceed to our new lesson, let us review first our previous lesson. Our previous lesson was all about the 3-syllable words. Let's read again the words that consist of 3 syllables. Okay, so I will read the words and please follow after me. So number 1, we have alcohol. Again, alcohol. And for the number 2, we have ambulance. Ambulance. And for the number 3, we have camera. Again, camera. Number 4, we have computer. Computer. And for the last number, we have envelope. Again, envelope. I hope you all understand our previous lesson. And now, for our lesson for today, it is all about initiating conversation with peers. So now, listen to me attentively because I will read first the conversation of Hannah and Hami, and after that, I will ask you some questions about the conversation that I have read. Are you ready? After 5 months of quarantine, Hannah called her best friend Hami to ask her how they have been doing during the long quarantine period. Hello, good morning Hami. Good morning too, Hannah. How are you and your family? We're fine. How about you? We're fine too. What have you been doing during the months of quarantine? During the quarantine, we stayed at home and I practiced reading some books and stories. How about you? I helped my mother do household chores and practice singing and dancing. Oh, that's great. Thank you. It was great talking to you, my friend. Until next time, bye. Same to you, my friend. See you soon, bye. Now, class, did you listen to the story well? That's great. And now, let me ask you some questions. Who called Honey? Correct. Why did Hannah call Honey? That's right. To ask her family doing during the quarantine period. However, we should always remember the rules and reminders that every speaker and listener should consider. 1. Do not interrupt another while he or she is speaking. And number 2, do not do all the talking. And number 3, be a good listener. So now, let's try again. Let's read the conversation of the 2 persons and I want you to fill the blanks below to complete the dialogue. Sunday morning, Ali and her mother visited Abdullah's house and Abdullah showed his new toy to Ali. Last, let us fill in the blanks with the following situation. Ali: Come here, Abdullah. I want to show you my toy. Abdullah: Ali: This is a brand new toy car. My dad bought it for me. Abdullah: Ali: Sure, Abdullah. Right. Class, have you filled out the blanks in the conversation? Class, so now let's check if you're correct. Come here, Abdullah. I want to show you my toy. Abdullah: Wow, this is so amazing. What car is this? Ali: This is a brand new toy car. My dad bought it for me. Abdullah: Can we play together? Ali: Sure, Abdullah. Is everything clear so far? Very good. I hope you all understand the lesson today. That would be all. Thank you everyone and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.